24, but I feel like I'm already out of the loop about all of the things that the cool kids are doing. And one of those things is being an e-girl. So I went on Urban Dictionary and I found out that an e-girl is someone who usually wears pink eyeshadow, large wings, little hearts under their eyes, a blushed nose. So I see these all over my Discover and I just think they're so cute and I love the makeup look. So I thought today I would try to become an e-girl and see if I can fit in with the cool kids. Okay, so I am not a makeup expert, but from what I've seen, e-girls wear a lot of pink eyeshadow. So I'm gonna start with some pinks. So I'm seeing the formings of an e-girl's pink eye look. I think, I'm just like, what would an e-girl do? What would WWAEGD? What would an e-girl do? I don't know, would she use pink glitter? I think she would use pink glitter, so we're gonna use pink glitter. So what's next, I think, is the winged eyeliner, which I'm terrible at. So I tried to do one winged liner without tape, and being an e-girl's hard. I never wear winged liner, and this is what happens.
It's worse than last one.
I don't know if being an e-girl is worth this emotional trauma. Okay, you know what? That's just gonna be it. I might be a not great at eyeliner e-girl.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
So I've done my face makeup. Our next step is blush, and a lot of it, especially on the nose.
Sort of feel like a cartoon character.
Let's do some faux freckles. Next, we have to draw the hearts on our face, under our eyes, like right here. And I literally feel like this might be harder than the eyeliner, and that's saying a lot because the eyeliner was incredibly hard. So, let's try this out. So this heart is a lot larger than the other heart. Being an e-girl is a lot harder than I really expected. Next, we have to move on to hair. I feel like e-girls do cutie pigtails. So this is our makeup and hair. Let's do our outfit and then our transformation will be complete. Finally.
Hey guys.
Here I am in my knitted shirt, layered over a thrifted, because e-girls thrift, black graphic tee, Harley Davidson. I added a gold necklace. I have my pigtails, I have my makeup, I have my clips, and I feel like I have fully reached my e-girl potential. It's a really good thing I didn't do face makeup first. Jeez.